Hi, and welcome to our short series. This video focuses on the trigger after update function in Ninox. This is a very useful function that you can use to automate parts of your system, improve the accuracy of your data, and a lot more. To see this though, we need to go into the design view by clicking the wrench icon in the top right, just up there. And then from here, you simply select the field you want to act as your trigger, and then click the wrench icon in that field. In this example, we're going to look at an email address field and assume that if we enter an email address, then we want to add this user to our next newsletter. We record in who receives our newsletter with a simple yes or no field, which you can see adjacent just here. So what we're going to do is when an email address is added, this is going to be the trigger to update our yes or no field to yes. So let's go ahead now and see what that looks like. So I open my email address field, go to the bottom where I have my trigger after update function, go into it, find the field I want to update, select it, write my command for what I want to update it to. So I'm choosing true, which means yes. Hit OK, save my changes, and I'm going to add an email address now. I'm going to tab across, and you can see my field has now updated just as we were after. This functionality can be extended to cover much more complex use cases, like maybe sending emails out, updating data in other tables, or even just formatting the data that has been entered, for example, making a postcode appear in all uppercase characters. We hope this short video has inspired you to look at the trigger after update feature in more detail. If you would like to know more, have any questions or suggestions, then please feel free to get in touch with us.